Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
All of the following are characteristic symptoms of schizophrenia except in schizophrenia there is third person hallucinations, inappropriate emotions and formal thought disorder. Sustained mood changes are actually seen in bipolar disorder or mania, manic depressive illness. But third person hallucinations, inappropriate emotions, and formal thought disorders are characteristics of schizophrenia.
thank you and thank you for watching.